What's going on, guys? I am Arup. Today I am talking about how to create KMZ file from AutoCAD and how to use this AutoCAD file in Google Art. If you are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for my new upcoming videos. This is the AutoCAD file. It contains tunnel, edit, viaduct and road. I am opening Global Mapper Pro software. Go to configure, projection. Projection should be longitude, latitude. Okay. Now open data file. Select the AutoCAD file and open. Now go to file, export as vector cylinder format and KMZ format. Save. Now I am opening Google Earth. New, local KML file, import. Select the KMZ file and open. In this way, you can open AutoCAD file in Google Earth.